Guys, welcome back to Modify Weekly. As you can see, new settings, new car time, and this is going to be like my semi-daily, so obviously we need to do some improvements to it. Audio overall in this car sounds pretty decent. It has got an aux lead in there somewhere for the stock head unit, but the speakers aren't the best. There's not enough power in the stock head unit to power it, so we're going to go ahead and install a Kenwood. I'm normally more of a Pioneer fanboy, but Kenwood, I thought I'd have a change up this time into the double DIN slot for the WRX. So let's get that in. Hopefully I can get the steering wheel controls to work on this one, because I never could on the Golf. But yeah, let's get this old boy out and get this one in. With this head unit, it's pretty easy to get out. You've got to get this panel out, and then there's like 6 or 7 screws you've got to pull out. So let's get this panel off. It's just one little tiny panel, so it should be easy enough to get off. So let's get that off now. Just insert like a flat blade screwdriver in behind these pins from the back of this fascia, and they pop out, and there's just 1, 2, 3, 6 screws. The old one comes out and we put the new one back in. It's pretty simple, nothing too complicated, but yeah, let's get it done. All those wires are unplugged now out of the back of this head unit. You're going to take these 4 screws off the side, just in case you need them again to go into the factory mounting point. So let's get those off now. After about half an hour and getting the wrong harness, you want to get this is the old WRX harness. You want to get the 07 harness, which is a bit smaller and has this smaller cable connection on it, all wired in. Spent about 20-30 minutes pissing around with these points, trying to angle it up and get it all sorted and situated so it sits in there nicely. None of these fascias fit. It actually needs a proper fascia to go in there, so I'm going to have to order one of those, because when it sits in there, it needs a new fascia. It needs a proper fascia in there. But yeah, overall wasn't too bad as long as you buy the right stuff. But that's a recurring theme with us. We don't buy the right stuff and it takes years to fit. But yeah, when it's got the proper fascia in there, it'll be fine. Obviously these double DIN fascias are universal and they're not the right size, so yeah, when the new one goes in, it should be fine. So join us back when we've got a new fascia. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You screw that in and then it would be done. But yeah, going well. So I'm nearly finished up fitting the head unit. It took me quite a while to figure out the rotation of these clips. Got the mic all wired in, sitting there all nice and nice, and then literally all it is I got the fascia now. Yeah, pop the fascia on. Oh, really quite hard to film with one hand. Ah. Literally pop the fascia on, put your trim piece back on, and it sits nicely in there with no movement, and it looks nice. And then you peel back your sticky label, boom, looking clean and fresh as fuck. Yeah, that's pretty much how simple it is to fit a head unit. It's pretty much plug and play. But yeah, so yeah, a bit of a boring video, but just getting a few bits together for the Subaru. More videos to come soon. But yeah, please like, subscribe, comment if you like the Subaru, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.